In this video, I'll detail how to enable or turn on tap to show full notification on Apple Watch Series 9. So if you have an Apple Watch Series 9 and you have a notification on your Apple Watch, all you just need to do is tap it once and that is going to show the full notification on the screen. So if I download this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first one to do here is press the crown button on your Apple Watch. Just press it once. Once you press it, you'll be taken to the app menu. On the app menu, locate the settings gear icon and click on that. Then on clicking that, scroll down. Then locate settings and click on settings. Now once you click on settings, scroll down until you get to tap to show full notifications. Then turn this on. Then you should see Apple Watch can hide the full details of notification behind a summary until you tap the screen or double tap your fingers. So if you double tap your finger just like this, with the Apple Watch tap to show full notification turned on, then you should see the full screen notifications. Or if you just click on the screen, this is going to show the full notifications on your Apple Watch Series 9. So if you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.